I'm Michael Fifi Kwanzaa. I work at Ashesi University, and I've been working from home since March 16th, thereabouts, pretty much when the presidential order came to close universities due to the spread of the global pandemic.
Just like Michael Kwanzaa, a number of employees had to work from home as part of measures adopted to prevent the spread of the virus. Michael shares his experience so far.
For me, there have been ups and downs, and one of the things I've really enjoyed is not having to deal with the commute of going to work. Ashesi is located in the eastern region of Ghana, and I live in Accra, so my mornings usually consisted of waking up early and just trying to get to work, trying to catch a shuttle and get to work on time. So you sometimes get to work tired. However, working from home, I can sleep a reasonable amount of time, wake up, get some exercise in, do my devotions, and still start work on time. And that absence of pressure in the mornings has been great.
Databank is another institution that adopted the work-from-home policy for its staff, and the directive is still being used even though a number of the imposed restrictions have been eased by the government. Chief Executive Officer of the company, Kojo Adai-Mensah, indicated that his outfit had been making efforts towards getting employees to work from home, but the pandemic presented a good opportunity to test it out.
We were fully ready to work from home 100%. By February 2020. So I don't know if God spoke to us, but yeah, we got ready. So 1 week before the president even shut down the country, I'm proud to say that at Databank we were ready. So the whole of April, not a single soul walked into any fiscal office for us in the whole of April 2020. So we really were ready for this situation before the situation arose. But I must admit that there were certain aspects that we had to accelerate just to make sure that everybody was ready to do it. We had to purchase a few items like laptops that we hadn't even yet budgeted for, had to buy some devices and stuff like that.
Just as with every system, there are drawbacks. What are some of them when it comes to working from home?
It's been fantastic, especially for our clients. On the staff side, the feeling is a bit mixed. Some people, their homes are not as conducive to be able to work from home as other people, not even the fact that maybe the Wi-Fi is not working properly or data is not working properly, but just the conducive environment, the noise, there are children all over the place because they are not going to school, all that. But I've still pushed hard for people not to come into the office environment, because you know what, we are all in the offices. You are enclosed, it's air conditioning, and the scientists tell us that is recipe for spread.
But what is a likely solution for some of these challenges?
A hybrid would be great. One where you work at home a couple of parts of the week and then in the office the other parts. And I feel like that balance will be really effective in helping a lot of people get work done, because you can get the best of both worlds, and that for me is ideal.
What is the public's perception of working from home? Here are some people sharing their thoughts.
The traffic experience is really bad. From my point of view, sometimes you feel so tired from your previous days at work and you have to sit in the car for so many hours, and when you get to work there's a whole lot of stress and all that. That's why I would prefer sitting in the house and working.
Comparing working from home and being at the office, I don't want to be at the office, work from the ground, get to face-to-face interaction with people, see their facial expression, know their reaction when I'm with them. So I would want to be on the ground and get my information and work from the office, have my colleagues around, ask them a lot of questions, how it can help me build my story.
Although working from home may have its own advantages, not everybody seems to think it's a great idea. For a number of people, technology cannot replace the whole experience of interacting and engaging with their colleagues and friends. And for some too, the data cost is also a major drawback. Possibly someday when data becomes cheaper, a lot more people will buy into the idea of working from home. Reporting for Citi Business News, my name is Michael Obodu.